Okay, my Pisces sun and rising people. I am keeping things short and sweet this month with a one card pull. And your tarot card theme for the month of July is the moon. So, Pisces, you might find yourself feeling more in tune with your natural intuitive gifts, thoughts, and emotions this month. Pay close attention to your dreams and your gut feelings, and trust that they may be relaying some important information to you. So the moon card often suggests that not everything is as it seems. So you might encounter situations or people that aren't entirely clear or straightforward. They may be hard to read. Take your time to understand what's really going on by reading between the lines as well as the fine print, right? And this can be actual, as in a contract, or symbolic. As we say, be sure and read the fine print, right? My advice here is as well to not make assumptions or make any important decisions without gathering all the information. Now, of course, that applies to what we should do normally, but this piece of advice is even heightened more for you. I would definitely double check the information, as a matter of fact, to be sure you didn't miss anything. And also, my beautiful Pisces people, don't reveal too much information about yourself. It's best to hang back and observe for a little while. By staying calm and perceptive, you'll be able to figure out whatever this mysterious puzzle here is for you, and you'll know what you're dealing with soon enough. Now, for work and career, the moon card here talks about avoiding making any hasty decisions or jumping to conclusions. Again, all may not be as it seems on the surface. Now, if you've got a hunch or are privy to some workplace gossip, do some detective work so that you can make informed choices and avoid any potential pitfalls. Again, big decisions should be handled this same way. There also may be some hidden aspects or underlying issues on a project or a contract or something that you're working on that may need to be revised upon closer review or inspection. You or somebody else may have missed something. And lastly, not to make anybody paranoid, but be careful with what you disclose to your coworkers, what information you share with them, because sometimes with this moon card, it can indicate that not everyone around you is out for your best interest. Okay, so let's move on to love and relationships. So for my Pisces people that are in a relationship, there may be some underlying issues, some unexpressed emotions, or some information that rises to the surface or needs to come out so that it can be acknowledged and addressed. Pisces, you're very intuitive. And so if you sense that something is off with your partner, trust it and encourage them to talk about it. And this goes for you as well. Something's been on your mind lately. It may be time to bring this up. Remember that if you are in a relationship, you both are a team, and it's important to communicate openly with each other to work through any uncertainties or questions so that they don't develop into a shadowy thing in the relationship over time. And I think y'all know what I'm talking about. It's kind of like this umbrella that can cast a shadow over a relationship. This is what I'm seeing with this moon card. And just understand, too, that the moon's shadowy aspects are always diminished by the light of truth. So, again, conversation and honesty with each other is key. Now, for my single and looking people, Your love life might be a bit mysterious and unclear for this month. You might meet a mysterious, sexy new person, but their true intentions or feelings may not be clear. Some of you may be getting ghosted on and off, and others of you may be wondering if anyone decent is out there, right? The moon card can be, quite shadowy. But seriously, the moon in the realm of love can be quite difficult to navigate and to kind of know really what's going on. So for sure, for my Pisces people, my advice here is to be cautious in all your ways. Be careful and don't rush into anything until you have more than enough information to make a proper assessment. And this goes as well as, opening up your heart with somebody else, maybe revealing a lot of information about yourself, or maybe even, allowing your feelings to maybe override your normal good judgment. I'm just going to put it that way. And my last piece of advice for you guys is to pay attention to their actions and not their words. Okay, so to wrap this up, this was a very mysterious reading for you, Pisces. Just a couple of things here. Be sure this month to trust your intuition. Again, you guys are very intuitive, and that gut feeling, more often than not, is right. Take your time. You might want to step back and assess any situations here before you delve any deeper into it or reveal information. And stay grounded, okay? Y'all might even want to consider, wearing some crystals that help you ground, or looking into some breathing techniques that allow you to stay present in the moment and in your body. Okay, Pisces, I think that's about it for me. I hope you found these messages helpful. I know they were quite mysterious for you this month. And if they were, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Pisces, and I know you're going to do great for the month of July.